Hey guys, in this video we are going to show you how to get unbanned from any Roblox games in mobile and PC. Sometimes, getting banned from a Roblox game can be frustrating, but there's a way to request a review and possibly get unbanned. First, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device. In the search bar, type Roblox support. Then, click on the official Roblox support link. Once the page opens, you'll need to fill out the form. Start by entering your Roblox username, then your first name. Next, provide your email address and re-enter it to confirm. After that, select the device type you are using, like PC, mobile, or tablet. Then, choose the help category that best fits your issue, such as account hacked, can't log in, billing and payments, bug report, or others. Next, select the help subcategory to be more specific about your problem. In the box provided, describe your issue clearly. Explain what happened, why you think the ban might be unfair, or any other relevant details. Once the form is complete, submit it and wait for Roblox support to review your case. Make sure to check your email for any responses or instructions from them. By following these steps carefully, you increase your chances of getting unbanned from Roblox games on both mobile and PC. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.